is the world's leading manufacturer and supplier of heavy equipment. We offer the largest and widest range of products and services, including heavy equipment machinery, trucks, cranes, plants, and other ancillary equipment. We harness the very best of European, American, and Japanese technology and manufacture our machinery to the highest international standards. With our 9 state-of-the-art factories in China and Japan and our investment in the latest technology, you can be assured with the quality of our products and our supply. POWERPLUS machinery forms the backbone of many construction projects around the world and are renowned for our quality and reliability. Our technological innovations, such as enhancing fuel efficiency, are recognized as well. We manufacture a comprehensive range of heavy construction machinery, ranging from earth-moving machines to material handling machines, transportation trucks for loose materials, fuel, water, and even concrete, 500-ton crawler cranes, tower cranes, hydraulic truck cranes, asphalt mixing plants, concrete batching plants, stone crusher plants, and dredgers. Construction of roads and foundations can be achieved by Powerpac road rollers and asphalt pavers. Whether it's to lift heavy and unwieldy objects, transport material, building roads, or to construct the tallest buildings, POWERPLUS machines have the capability to deliver results for any project and are unmatched in delivery, power, and dependability. Supported by state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in China and Japan, POWERPLUS conceptualizes and develops machines that are robust, durable, and of quality performance. Each of our machines undergoes a comprehensive manufacturing process that adheres to the highest international standards. Superior components and parts are used in every part of the manufacturing process. We rigorously test every machine to the highest quality standards before being rolled out for sale and distribution. We have heavily invested in a manufacturing system that is the best in quality and safety standards, resulting in our customers' benefits, helping them to save operating costs on reliability and durability. A computerized storage system records and monitors parts inventory, ensuring optimum stock levels to service our customers quickly. With our extensive inventory and wide distribution network, POWERPLUS keeps your machines running smoothly. POWERPLUS has a comprehensive after-sales service program to help realize the full potential of the machinery and to maintain its performance level and productivity. Our team of experts will be on hand to provide you with our technical knowledge and experience, ensuring that you get the right training and uncompromising reliability in our service delivery. POWERPLUS is expanding our reach across the globe with growing presence in South America, Africa, Middle East, Central Asia, and Europe. We aim to accelerate our overseas expansion by adding new dealers and operations so as to serve our customers better. Our promise to each and every customer is to deliver machines of quality, reasonable pricing, and excellent support. We are dedicated and committed to your growth because your success is our success. All the power you desire, plus more. POWERPLUS.